wonder if everyone's okay at home. Where am I?
That was close by here, mate.
That's a biggie. Look at it. It's fucking going for it. Is it warm? No, it's just cold. Oh my god. Look at it go.
Oh, feel the ground going, you don't? It's still moving.
Look, there must be fucking big cracks in there. Nice bit of liquefaction here. Have you got stuff in there? Look at it, I think you've got...
That's the main water gone.
No, that's just liquefaction.
Coming up from underneath.
Just for liquefaction.
It's even up here.
It's right over the street. It's all down there.
Where was the smoke? Was there smoke?
It's just dust plume from all the brick. Like over here, there's another brick wall falling over. And...
Are you guys alright?
Yeah. We just ran out of the building. I don't want to stay in our building.
It's clean. Oh. No, down the end. Yeah, down the end.
Yeah. Yeah, no, she's just coming out from underneath the foundations.